To add the single post category to the body class, we're going to use the add filter body class. So what happens is that to run the filter, we bring in the array of classes. We check if it's a single post. We then get the categories of the current post that we're looking at. And then for each category, we add the category slug to the classes array, and then we return the classes array using this filter body class, and that then updates the post page. So if I head over here to the post and I refresh, you will see that we have this yellow color in the title, and the reason we have that yellow color in the title is because if I go and have a look at the body class, you'll see that I have test this category. So that was a test category for this post. If I now disable my function here and we no longer add the class to the body of this post and I refresh, you'll see then that it just goes back to the default and that class is no longer included here in the body tag. So this is pretty much then how easy it is then to style your single post page slightly differently based on the category that the post is in. The code is in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching.